I'm just here to tell you that the rain is being a complete butthole. Jeez. That's not the only thing. Shut the garage door. But literally, my soccer goal is like, I don't know, like a tornado is happening. And the weatherman said there is a chance of a tornado. Jeez. Butthole raid. I'm a cowboy now, motherfucker. I'm gonna be, whatever. How about, I'm gonna be Indiana Jones. Yeah, I'm Indiana Jones. I'm gonna go in my, I'm gonna hide in my freezer and get blown away by the tornado. That's how I'll survive. Yeah, I'm Indiana Jones right now. Yeah, that's how I'll survive the rain being a butthole. I'm Indiana Jones. Yeah. Okay, I'm just screwing around even though there's like, my ditch is like flooding. Well, not my ditch, like some places. And strong winds. I'm kind of scared. Come on, geckos. I hope you guys don't die. No, I have to be Indiana Jones, butthole. Please. Don't fall. And now I'm scared to pee because I'm scared like the toilet will like electrocute me. I gotta pee because whenever I'm scared, I have to pee. Jeez. I think I'm gonna use my trash can. Or just feed it to my cat because they'll enjoy it. Just kidding, no. But I really gotta pee. And hopefully we have like a pee bucket we can use. Alright guys, that's all. I don't have much time. I have to like go do some stuff. So bye. I'm scared. Remember, Indiana Jones. Bye.